Hello friends, welcome back to Robby Hobby. Today I'm making something super special. Quick Rajma Masala for party of 20 people. It's my brother's 50th birthday family get together. So let's jump right in. Here I have 5 medium-sized onions, 3 tomatoes, a bunch of fresh coriander leaves and about 10 to 12 green chilies. Adjust as required. My whole family loves spicy food, so I'm adding some extra. First chop the onions and green chilies. Dice the tomatoes and blend them with the coriander leaves to make a nice puree. Now heat a handi, or you can call it deep cooking pot in English. Add half cup of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, add 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Then toss in 2 bay leaves and 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Mix well. Let the aroma kick in and then add the chopped green chilies. Give it a good stir. After a few minutes, add in the chopped onions and cook them until they turn translucent. Once they are ready, add the spices. 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 4 to 6 teaspoons of coriander powder, 4 to 6 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything nicely and let it simmer for a few minutes. Meanwhile, open a 7-pound can of pink beans. That's our shortcut for Rajma today. Wash them nicely and keep them ready. Back to our masala. When everything mingles together, add the tomato coriander puree along with salt to taste. Mix well and cook until masala separates from the oil. That's when you know it's perfect. Now add in the rajma beans and mix really well. Pour in water as per the consistency you like. Cover the handi and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover. Give it a good stir. And add 2 tablespoons of mango powder also known as amchur. Mix again. Cover and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. Finally, uncover and add 2 tablespoons of jaggery. 2 tablespoons of crushed fenugreek leaves known as kasuri methi. Mix it in. Cover the pot, turn off the gas. And now, let the rajma just sit and think about all the magic that just happened inside. That resting time makes the taste even better. In the meantime, make some fluffy basmati rice to go along. And there you have it, Dhaba-style quick Rajma Masala with rice, or as we love to call it, Rajma Chawal. Enjoy this wholesome dish with your family and friends. Thank you for watching Robby Hobby. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.